We're going to go through some low flow remedies or low flow areas that can be easily fixed. So what I usually recommend if you're experiencing low flow is to pull out the spray head and just unthread the spray head itself from the hose. Now they should be hand tight, but you may need to use a pair of channel locks to bust loose the knurl collar here. With the spray head removed, go ahead and open the water flow so it's in the mixed water position. If the flow is strong, at this point we know that the issue is in the spray head itself. With the spray head removed, on the back side where the hose connects, there'll be a little white filter screen. Once that's removed, you can use a regular blade screwdriver and just kind of hook it and pop it out. And then directly behind that will be a little check valve. With both of those removed, you can run water over the check valve itself or through the backside to remove any debris. And the same thing with the little filter screen. Just flush it off, get it as clean as possible. And then while doing that, every faucet is delivered with this little tool. With the finger, you insert it between the aerator and this little ring here. You just kind of hook it in there. There we go. And pry out the ring. With the other end of the tool, it has gears that will mate up with it. Just insert it and unthread the face. You can take these two pieces and just soak them in a 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water. You can scrub them with a brush just to remove any buildup. No more than 15 minutes, and when done, just simply drop the flow control back into the face and rethread it onto the spray head. And just be careful to not cross thread it. There you go. And with the tool, tighten it up. And just snug is good. And then take your ring and it will simply, it's a friction fit, just push into place. Once you have those areas cleaned, go ahead and reinstall the head onto the hose. And here again, just be careful to not cross thread. And this can be no more than hand tight. And at that point, you can check your flow. The other area that may be causing low flow would be the quick coupler. To clean the quick coupler, you simply pull down on the colored sleeve and then pull the coupler off the water feed, your mixed water feed. The black end should be no more than hand tight. And here, debris will get caught up on the inside of the coupler itself. There's a check valve in there. What we suggest doing here is to run water in from the backside, from the black side, to push out any debris that may be caught up in there. Once you have it rinsed out or flushed out as best you can, it's best to take it to a firm surface and just give it a couple smacks. And that will help knock out any debris that's caught up in there as well. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and reinstall the coupler onto the hose. Simply thread it on, and this will be hand tight only. And even on the coupler, it shows no tools required. And to reinstall onto your mixed water line, simply pull down on the colored ring, push it up, release, and then give a couple tugs to make sure it's secure. After going through the low flow solutions, if you're still experiencing low flow or you're experiencing the spray coming out at the same time as the stream mode, the head itself will need to be replaced.